Let us move on to the second question. In the second question, it is asked, check whether the first polynomial is a factor of the second polynomial. In your book, it is given this is the second polynomial and this is the first polynomial. You have to find whether this is a factor of this polynomial. You are learnt in earlier classes, factor matlab kya hai? If any number is a factor, if you are going to divide, suppose for example, when 6 is divided by 2, is it exactly divisible? Yes, because 2 3s are 6. If it is exactly divisible, then you will be getting the remainder as 0. Same principle is applied over here also. So, please make it in a cloud and then write. It will be very useful for you. If it is a factor, then you write remainder should be equal to 0. If you are getting any other remainder, then you will be writing in the answer, it is not a factor. So let us start dividing now. This big P of x is divided by G of x. As I said earlier, what you are going to divide over here? 2t power 4 and t square. So 2t power 4 divided by t square, you will be getting 2t square. So this is my first term in the quotient, 2t square. Now you multiply t square into 2t square will be 2t power 4. Minus 3 into 2t square will be minus 6t square. Again by subtracting, I get 2t power 4 minus 2t power 4 will get cancelled. Minus 2 plus 6 will give me 4t square. Now again you take this 3t cube over here. Don't forget to take. And also the next term over here minus 9t. So what will be the next term in the quotient now? 3t cube divided by t square. So it will be equal to 3t. So it is plus 3t. Now t square into plus 3t will be 3t cube and minus 3 into 3t will be minus 9t. So shall I subtract now? 3t cube minus 3t cube will get cancelled. Minus 9t plus 90 will also get cancelled. And my next term over here will be 4t square. Also take the next term which is minus 12. So what is my next term in the quotient? 4t square divided by t square which is equal to 4. So here it is plus 4. Now you multiply t square into 4 is 4t square minus 3 into plus 4 is minus 12. So shall I subtract now? Minus and here it is plus 4t square minus 4t square you will get 0 and minus 12 plus 12 also will get cancelled. So this time my remainder is equal to 0. So what is the reason you will be writing? Since r is equal to 0, g of x is a factor of p of x. Have you understood? So you should get the remainder as 0. If you are getting the remainder as 0, then it is a factor. If you are not getting the remainder as 0, then it is not a factor. So let us move on to the next sum. Now let us take the second sum of your NCERT, that is P of x is given as 3x power 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2. And g of x is x square plus 3x plus 1. Let us divide. So as we said, we had to circle the first term of the dividend and the first term of the divisor. So 3x power 4 divided by x square is equal to 3x square. So my first term in the quotient will be 3x square. Now you multiply x square into 3x square is 3x square. 3x into 3x square is 9x cube. And 1 into 3x square is 3x square. Now let us subtract minus minus minus. 3x power 4 minus 3x power 4 will be equal to, will get cancelled. 9 minus 5 is 4. So it is minus 4x cube and minus 10x square. Take the next term, it is plus 2x. So what is the next term in the quotient? Minus 4x cube divided by x square is minus 4x. So it is minus 4x. Let us multiply x square into minus 4x is minus 4x cube. 3x into minus 4x is minus 12x square. And 1 into minus 4x is minus 4x. Again change the sign. Now 4x cube minus 4x cube will get cancelled. Minus 10 plus 12 will be 2x square. 4 plus 2 is 6x. Plus 6x, take the next term over here, it is plus 2. So 2x square divided by x square will be equal to 2 plus 2. 2 into x square is 2x square plus 6x plus 2. While subtracting, I get all the answer to be equal to 0. Since remainder is equal to 0, g of x is a factor of p of x. Let us move on to the third sum. P of x is equal to x power 5 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1. G of x is equal to x cube minus 3x plus 1. So let us divide now and check the remainder. So what is the first term in the quotient? That is x power 5 divided by x cube will give you x square. So my first term is x square. So let us multiply x cube into x square is x power 5 minus 3x into x cube, x square is minus 3x cube, and 1 into x square is 1x square. So let us subtract minus, here it is plus, here it is minus. X power 5 minus x power 5 will get cancelled, and minus 4x cube plus x cube will give me minus x cube, and x square minus x square will get cancelled, and next term is plus 3x and plus 1. So now I will circle this. Minus x cube divided by x cube will give me minus 1. So next term in the quotient is minus 1. X cube into minus 1 is minus x cube. Minus 3x into minus 1 is plus 3x. And 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. So change the sign. Plus, minus, plus. So minus x cube plus x cube will get cancelled. Plus 3x and minus 3x will get cancelled. 1 plus 1 will give me the remainder 2. So this is the remainder. Since remainder r is equal to 2, not equal to 0, you will say g of x is not a factor of p of x. So this you have to remember carefully. When the remainder is not 0, any other remainder you are getting means it will not be a factor.